Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you what's inside the Raindrop Technique kit. This is actually from Young Living. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so the Raindrop Technique kit is actually a proprietary technique as claimed by Young Living. But to me, this is just the same as layering. The Raindrop technique is actually great for someone who has back pains, chronic back pains, or even acute back pains if you have severe back pains, or if you're stressed, or if you're having chronic, respiratory issues. If, for example, you've been coughing for a long time now, you can get your Raindrop technique from your virtual office, and then the instructions are inside, so it's pretty much easy to learn. You can also search from YouTube, and there are a lot of videos that will teach you how to administer the Raindrop technique. And the Raindrop technique is one of Young Living's most popular essential oil collections. Each oil has been carefully selected for their energizing aromas. When properly applied to the neck, back, and feet, their scents can help create a relaxing atmosphere. So the entire set is focused for massage, and it actually contains 9 oils, which starts from basil, cypress, marjoram, oregano, peppermint, thyme, wintergreen, aroma seeds, and valor. So let's check what's inside. This is actually fresh from the mail. I'm very much excited to see what's in it. So you remove the sleeve, and here's the product information sheet. Okay, so there are preparation guidelines and the Raindrop story. So the Raindrop technique is actually a unique practice based on methods that have been used for centuries to rejuvenate the body and mind, inspired by Native American tradition of observing the northern lights while inhaling the affirming aroma of nearby conifer trees. The Raindrop technique helps bring balance and harmony to the body by combining targeted massage and distinctive energy approaches. It also includes pure therapeutic grade essential oils to create an atmosphere of spirituality and serenity. Okay. And then here is the info sheet on how you can do the Raindrop technique. Basically, you will use all these 9 oils step by step, starting with balancing or valor. As you go along, you will use each of the oils to massage your back, starting with the feet and then your back, then down to your spine, and even your head to relieve migraine or tension headache. Okay. So let's check what's included in the kit, or what are the oils in it. Okay. So here is how the kit looks like. You have your V6 or your regular carrier oil from Young Living. They call it vegetable oil complex. It's my first time to see the V6, so let me just take a whiff. It's sealed. Yeah, it's actually scentless. This is what they say, and that's what they like about this oil. It's scentless, so you can mix this with any oil that you like, especially for massage. V6 oil from Young Living. The kit also has the Ortho Ease. Ortho Ease is great for body pains, like if you're going to make massage oils for body pains, rheumatism, joint pains. It has peppermint oil. This oil is actually infused with eucalyptus, peppermint, juniper, marjoram, thyme. So it's a good add-on to your current oils. So if you're experiencing chronic pains, like chronic back aches, chronic joint pains, rheumatism, this is a great carrier oil that you can use. Now let's go to the oils. This is what I'm most excited about. Okay, your kit contains 2 pump nozzles, perfect for your 8-ounce carrier oils. This is just for convenience. And then you have 9 oils. Here are the 9 oils. You can see there's valor, there's oregano, there's thyme, basil, wintergreen, cypress. You have marjoram, peppermint, and aroma seeds. So the step-by-step starts with valor, because as they say, valor is the oil that is balancing. So they start with the feet with valor. It also calms you and makes you aware of your surroundings. And then next oil, you will be moving with oregano. So here's the oregano. Okay, your oregano oil is actually immune stimulant. It is anti-inflammatory, so it's great if you have respiratory issues. If you have cough, oregano is a great oil. It's antibacterial and it awakens your receptors. However, please keep in mind that oregano is a hot oil as well as thyme, so you have to be very careful when using them. Next, thyme is also an antibacterial oil. It cleanses the body and your cell membranes. So it kills pathogens. If you're feeling that you're about to get sick, it's great to have your oregano and thyme, but please be sure to dilute them first before applying it on your body, because it can get quite hot and you will probably get some burning sensation and you wouldn't want that. Next, you will have your basil. So the first three oils are actually constant. If you want to perform the raindrop technique, you have to use the first three oils. The other oils, the next 5 oils, you can switch them around or switch them with other oils not included in the kit depending on what your body needs. But the first 3 oils, valor, oregano, and thyme, are constants. And the final oil, aromaseeds, is also a constant. So let's go to the first oil that you can interchange is basil. Basil is actually anti-spasmodic. So it's a muscle relaxant. If you feel that you're having muscle tension, you can use this. It stimulates the mind and it creates sharpness. Next oil, one of my favorites, is wintergreen. Wintergreen is great for joint pains, bone aches, or anything that has to do with your muscle pains, muscle aches. And this is a great pain relaxant. Plus, what I love about wintergreen is it helps open your lung capacity. So if you're having trouble, for example, if you have cough, or if you feel like you're about to catch the bug, the cough bug, you can get your wintergreen and start applying on your chest. Next, you have cypress. Cypress is one of our oils of the month for March. And cypress has been known to help strengthen your nerves. It helps promote circulation. It stimulates blood flow. So cypress is really great if you have varicose veins or if you have swelling. So it helps relieve foot swelling. For example, there's water retention on the lower part of your body. You can use cypress and then put a drop of cypress and put some carrier oil on your palms, rub it together, and then massage your feet and raise your leg to help ease varicose veins and help ease the swelling. Next oil is marjoram. So here's your marjoram. Your marjoram actually soothes the muscles. It's a relaxant. So this is great for muscle spasms, something that you can't control. It's great for PMS if you're cramping. So marjoram is a great oil for that, and it's great for tension headaches or migraines. Next, you also have your peppermint. Peppermint is a basic oil. You get this also with your PSK. Peppermint is a great anti-inflammatory. It's great for your digestive system. It's great for your respiratory system. Just keep in mind that peppermint is not really okay for kids 3 and below. Peppermint speeds up the absorption of your other oils. So that's why this is one of the oils that comes in last, because peppermint actually has smaller molecules compared to the other oils. So it helps carry the other oils that came before it inside your body. Finally, you have aromaseeds. Aromaseeds is actually a blend of basil, marjoram, lavender, and peppermint plus cypress. It's great for muscle tension. It's great for tight muscles. So it's actually, the topper of your raindrop technique session. Aside from this Ortho Ease, which also has a little of other oils in the kit, maybe just as a booster to help carry all those therapeutic effects inside your body. What I love about this set is that it's very giftable. It comes in a very nice packaging. So if you know anyone who enjoys massage or who would want to learn more about essential oils and loves massage, this is a great gift for that person. What I don't like about this set is that It actually encourages people to do neat application. When you say neat application, you just use the oils as is and use it on your body without any carrier oil. So that is what raindrop technique is all about. You are encouraged to use all the oils inside neat. And if you feel any discomfort, that is when you use the 2 carrier oils that's included in it, which is not really in sync with what we learned from school. So I guess that's where your common knowledge comes in, right? We are told that we are not supposed to use the oils, the pure essential oils, neat because there may be adverse effects. For example, when you're using hot oils, like there are hot oils in here, there's oregano and thyme in here, so you're not supposed to use that neat. You're supposed to mix it first with the carrier oil before putting it on your body. And I've also seen videos talking about this, saying that you can use this with kids. I highly wouldn't encourage that. Even if you try like the lowest dilution, I think it would be better if you just use it with, you know, adults or at least 10 years old and above. Because there are oils here like peppermint. Oh, and by the way, you shouldn't use this for pregnant women because a lot of oils here aren't really good for pregnant women. Like cypress, I know is not good. Wintergreen, I know is not good, and some other oils here. So you have to be very careful when you want to give this as a gift to someone. Make sure that all the oils that in here is cleared for them. You can also use this for senior citizens, for older people. Just make sure that the dilution rate is great. Also, as a workaround, since this kit promotes neat application, I would highly suggest for you to prepare like bottles of diluted versions of these oils just to be safe, and stick with the minimum dilution rate for about 1 to 2.5%. If you know someone who is, for example, you know that your household or yourself is dealing with acute back pain, then maybe you can dilute other oils like wintergreen into 5 or 10, but you know, keep the other oils at a minimum. This is about 135 US dollars, plus or minus. And then if you add shipping, that's about 140 plus dollars for the entire 9 oil set with 2 carrier oils. I think it's pretty much a little on the higher side, but I guess you just have to learn the technique, and then once you know the technique, you don't have to really buy the set. You can just buy them separately or buy the oils that you need. But keep in mind that the first 3 oils are constant, so whatever oil or whatever health issue that you want to deal with for this raindrop technique, you have to get the first 3 oils, the balancing oil, oregano and thyme, and your aroma seeds oil. And then these other 5 oils are, as they say, interchangeable. You can also switch them up. For example, if you're dealing with a client who has, let's say, hormonal issues, you can use geranium, you can use clary sage, or you can use other single oils that helps balance your hormones. For example, if you're dealing with someone who has respiratory issues like cough, you can use eucalyptus, you can use peppermint, spearmint, or you can use other expectorant oils or mucolytic oils so that it helps soothe his lungs and open up his lungs and, you know, release all those toxins. Basically, this is the raindrop technique kit that you can get from Young Living. I actually bought this kit and I'm planning to give it to my mom because I know that she loves having a massage and she loves massage. But before I end this video, I would like to invite you to join my workshop on April 28 at Yoga Plus in Ortigas. Don't forget to register. I will put the registration link down below so you can join me and win awesome prizes aside from learning more about oils. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it so much. And you can reach me through Instagram or Twitter. Just use the hashtag AskJirbie if you have any other questions about essential oils. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!